Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing games. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor...
Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Thursday. How are ya? Hola, hola. OG is first. Dave, Zach, Surfix, Sarkis, Jana. Good morning, everyone. Yes, yesterday, look at these guys. Perfect price action on ES later in the morning and then in the afternoon also. Look how ES went down, touched our level, and then made a reversal there. And look how it made a break, retest, and then to the next level. I was watching ES when after the market closed, and I was like, damn, this was extremely clean. Very clean. So yes, it's being cleaner than NQ lately. But I didn't take any more trades yesterday. Most of the time, if my first trade is good, I don't take more trades. Or if I have a good couple of morning trades, I don't take more trades in the afternoon. I only take trades in the afternoon if I'm red and I see that the market's a little bit choppy in the morning, so I will wait for an afternoon play, because sometimes when you have a choppy morning, you could find good trades in the afternoon. I'm doing my levels here. Bom dia. We got kind of like a big overnight big move on NQ. Okay, I'm ready for today. Hey Jonathan, Brian. Buenos días, Nico. Let's see something here. I think we do have data today. Yeah, we have data at 10. What is it? Home sales. We have home sales at 10. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna have SMH with an opening with a big gap up. It's gonna open right at resistance. I would love to see a pullback right at open. Nothing burger? Yeah, baby. Morning, V. Osama. Another David. Edgar. I mean, my levels are, you guys know what are my levels. Pre-market highs, lows, pre-day highs and lows. IWM. Okay, so we have ES right at yesterday's highs. Morning, Robin. That's a good pullback. Good pullback on ES. Let's see if ES is gonna hold PDH. Good PDH hold here. So far. I would love to see NQ going even lower. Maybe to this level. That would be awesome. Yeah, that would be Tuesday highs. Okay. What a weird candle. This is why, this is a perfect example why I like trading, like not trading on a 1 minute or 2 minute time frame. And also I like letting the candle show me how it's gonna close. Okay, this is a very bullish move. If NQ can really hold here, I like it for more upside. And what would be the next resistance here? I'll say, oh. Yeah, this is a big next resistance. Okay. Okay, so we have very strong bullish trend so far. We have NQ breaking these highs. It can really hold here. The move is toward the next resistance. But we could also have just a fake out like yesterday, right? We had yesterday breaking out, and then it took forever here, and then it died. So who knows? Who knows? That's awesome, Mark. Awesome. But so far, it looks like a very strong breakout. Okay. That's a crazy move. What? Moving Thank you so much, because I don't see SMH moving that much. Okay. Thank you, V. So yeah, SMH is not moving that much. Yes, it's bullish, but it's not moving much. IGV. Oh yeah, that was the strong one. TRAM. Not a big move. Not like NQ. MU again. Nah, it's not moving that much. No, nothing looks like these. Look at these two 5-minute candles. Ooh, Meta looks like a good buy right now. 580, 575, 577 hold. Broadcom is reacting, but it had a nice move overnight. But it's not looking too hot right now. Ooh, Nvidia is dying. Yeah, I don't know what's moving. What's really moving NQ like this? It's not Adriana. Why everyone always call me Adriana? No worries. Yeah, we'll see. This so far looks like a nice pullback, but I'm not buying the middle of support and resistance. If I'm gonna buy longs, it have to be at support. I think if ES can break pre-market highs, I think we could have a nice move here. So I'm gonna wait for something like this or this. Swing trades. I think meta can be a good one right now, but I hate trading meta. So I don't know. Honestly, I haven't taken much individual stocks lately. I haven't paid too much attention to those. Especially when you have like a choppy market, it's not a market to swing trade. So, and I also kind of saving money for whenever the market makes a big pullback. Okay. When you have a strong push at open, you gotta be pretty patient and then just give it a little bit of time for the market to consolidate. And that's when I'm gonna look for trades. I do that with options and futures, but I even when I was trading options, I was doing that even more because if you're trading options, the premium's gonna be high on a move like this. You buy when the premium is low, which that's gonna be on pullbacks on consolidation time. And if the market just keeps pushing, and just let it do whatever it wants to do in the morning, and then I'll come in the afternoon, which is most likely is gonna give me a pullback and a good entry. Yeah, I'm still waiting for something like this. If the market is really, really strong, it's gonna pull back here and it's gonna hold. If it doesn't hold here, it's doing pretty much what it happens yesterday, that it break out and it did a fake out. Yeah, very ugly reaction here on yes. Okay. Yeah, the market is not looking bad, but you need the resistance break. And the price actions is still a little bit weird. Very jumpy. But it's definitely looking way more bullish than bearish. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a good entry. I don't see one so far. Nice breakout on ES. If I can get a pullback there, that would be nice. I want to see this 5-minute candle closing strong and the next one giving me a pullback. That will be my entry. That will be my play. I really wanted Enki to give me that pullback here. What do you think? Break and retest on Enki? Yeah. I don't think anything wrong with that. But I don't like how it's moving. The market is moving. It's too volatile for me. So I might just miss this push here. I don't know. It's only been like 25 minutes since the market opened, so we can wait, or I can wait a lot more. I'm not getting my pullback here on ES. I didn't got the pullback that I wanted here on NQ. NQ is still not really closing strong at my resistance. I need a strong close here. I'm from Venezuela. Can ES give me the pullback that I want here? I know, I need to put, my name is not Adriana, it's Andrea, and I'm from Venezuela. Andresuela, yeah. Yeah, we have data in 1 minute. At 10. Are we gonna have the 10 a.m. reversal? I'm waiting for a good entry. Yeah, everything looks pretty bullish, but it's very normal to have a pullback after a strong push. Maybe this is the entry? SMH is under the... Wait, give me 1 second. Yeah, under the 620 level. Needs to break that level. I'm debating if I want to play this long here with a stop loss around here. That could be my first stab, but at the same time, I don't like buying a resistance. Well, it's fighting that level, but I don't like buying when you have a 5-minute candle like this, because what is that? That is what I always talk about. My favorite pattern here. Not always gonna work. If you have a very strong bullish trend, I don't trade based on this, because when you have a strong bullish trend, this is not really to look for. But if you have a choppy or a bearish trend and you have a bounce and reaction like that, yes. But that's also why I'm not taking reaction plays here, because the market is crazy bullish today. Nah, it doesn't matter. Like, the candle's color doesn't matter. For me, what matters is the candle's body. Like, how it's forming. The colors doesn't matter. The other thing that I'm looking is that whenever you have a very strong, hey, welcome, thank you for buying me coffee, very strong candle like that, most of the time you have a pullback inside that candle. Most of the time you have a pullback inside that candle. I don't know if we're gonna have it. But that's what I'm looking for, that's what I'm waiting for, and if it doesn't happen, I'm just gonna miss this uptrend here today, and I'm fine with that. I look for a trade later today or just tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah. No, I'm not streaming tomorrow. Trade? I don't know. Tradeify over Tradevade? I never used that one. Never heard of that one either. This might be the pullback. Okay. Can ES hold here? We would like to see ES holding these little wicks here. But better if it's just like pre-market highs. Do I use Fibs? I don't really use Fibs to trade, but sometimes I just like to put in them there to see, I don't know, where the golden pocket is and the 50% retracement, but I don't really trade based on Fibs. I just play around with it sometimes. I'm watching ES. Watching ES, it can really hold here, like pre-market highs, and I will say these wicks here. I would like it for a bounce play. Yeah, that's ugly. SPY is about to lose the VWAP. It's right there. This 5-minute candle at open is so interesting. So weird. This is very strong bounce. That's an ugly pullback. Or an ugly reaction, I will say. Maybe I should have tried this reaction. That played perfectly. Yeah, just like yesterday, a weird fake out here. Yeah, this is not a pullback. Well, let's see. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close, because it's pretty interesting if it's gonna close at the 50% retracement here. If it holds that, these are pullback. Let's see, we're in the 50s on both ES and NQ. Yeah, it's not holding that. So that's the level that I wanted to see a pullback before. Remember when we were around here, I wanted to see NQ holding here. Can it hold it? Okay. That could be a nice hold here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah. Good call on waiting. I tell you why I wanted to wait. It's very different seeing candlestick when it is a pullback or when it's just giving up the move, right? Like these candles are not a pullback candles. Look how small the candles are here. Look how big the candles are here. This is just like yesterday. But now, where can I enter a reaction play? It's so difficult when the market moves like that. Yeah, this is an ugly, ugly move. More waiting, exactly. More waiting, yes. We are at EF yesterday highs. I'm gonna take out these. It's just very messy here. Yeah, this is also yesterday's highs on NQ. Okay. So we have this little support here. The candles are too big, too much volatility here. Look at the 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame has no trend. And the candles are exactly the same size. So that's a clear indication that so far we don't have a clear trend. Weird price action today. Especially looking at the first 5-minute candle here. That's pretty weird. SMH, it looks like it wants to go for the gap below. Morning low rejection, it's gonna give us, ooh, yeah, look how the market is moving. That is no bueno. Man, just keep going lower and lower and lower. I know, I know. Okay, no trade so far for me. I'm watching this possible hold here on ES, and NQ's gonna be this 560 level, and then yesterday's highs. That will be the entire gap fill. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close here. Honestly, guys, I don't know if I want to take any trades right now. I don't like how the market is moving. Like, I find it extremely risky entering any trades with how volatile each candle is forming. I don't know if I want to risk it for the biscuit today. I say that every day. Well, the price, to be honest, the price action lately, it's been weird. And I'm having a very, very nice month, very nice week, so I don't know if I want to ruin these. I don't know if I want to ruin my stuff. It's looking very beautiful, all green. Yeah, the power of copy trading with multiple accounts. Yes. Uh, I like that, Joy. Beautiful bounce on ES. Anyone took that? But you literally need to be like at the literally hit buy at the bottom to catch these, like a good move with a good stop loss. You got that? Awesome. For copy trading, I use TradeSync. Oh, it has to be a scalp. Like in this market, we need to have a scalping mentality. Yes, this is TradingView. My support on ES. That's yesterday's highs, around yesterday's highs, and this low wick here. Whenever you have a candle like that, you have a bunch of wicks there. That means that level is giving you a strong reaction to either side. Are you on the East Coast? Yes. What happens if you make more money than what you're allowed to withdraw? The money stays on the account. But guys, I don't make too much money on my account. Remember that I'm copy trading with multiple accounts, and you see my days. My days are like $200, $300. The max like I had lately was one day I had like, I don't know, 700 per account. Like, I don't make much money per account. You guys see me taking base hits with very small size, but it compounding with multiple accounts is why I have big days on Tradezilla. Why don't I use Bookmap? Why do I need to use it? Like, why do I need to use more stuff if my trading is fine how I do it? Like, I never use it, and I don't want to add anything to my trading system. It's very simple, very easy to follow. I've been doing it for, well, I haven't been doing this for 10 years, but I've been trading for 10 years. And I know that the more you add to your chart, the more confused you'll be. Bookmap, it's something fancy that people are using now. That's a new thing. And I never use it. I don't know how to use it. And I'm not really interested in learning how to use it, to be honest. Yeah, keep it simple, stupid. That's how I trade. Very simple. Anyone can follow. Anyone can follow. Very easy to teach also. Exactly. That's how I trade. I literally can even like take out all the levels, and if I only read the candlesticks, that's all I need. Okay. I needed a change of music. That music was driving me crazy. Okay. I could take something like this here. We may have a move like yesterday. What happened yesterday? We had a strong, Wednesday, yes. We have a strong pullback, and then in the afternoon, we literally move toward the next big resistance. And then today we gap up, we pull back to yesterday high, held there. Maybe we go to the next big resistance. Just like yesterday, maybe. I would love to see NQ doing this. Need a bathroom break and I need more coffee. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I thought I was gonna miss the trade. Okay. Okay, I like that. If we can hold here, I think I'm gonna take this. Let's see. Let's see if we can really hold it. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Okay. Ooh, that's an ugly move. That was weird. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Ah, don't tell me that you faked me out there. Really? Okay. You got me, Market. I gave it to you. You got me there. Ah. Yeah, I got fake out there. Awesome. Still having a lot of trouble here. Yeah, ES is rejecting pre-market highs. The Q is trying to break the VWAP. It could be anything. It could be anything, to be honest. Come on, market. I really like it. This possible upside move here. I got fake out there. Don't you hate when that happens? Bro, I got stop out like right there. And that's why I wait for the candle to close, but I had a hard stop out there. Stop loss there. Did I try it again? Nah. kind of like this hold here, but I don't like this ES. Like, ES looks more bearish than bullish, but I like this hold here on NQ. Look at that reaction on NQ. Yeah, very tricky price action here. Yeah, we're thinking on possible short play on ES. But I don't know. I honestly don't like this price action. That was a very clean pre-market high reaction on ES. SMH rejecting the VWAP, same thing with QQQ. It kind of looks like a bear flag here. Okay. Yeah, this is ugly. This is ugly. Oh, that's funny. So easy to get fake out here on this price action. Oh, you guys are funny. Well, the 30 minutes not telling me anything, and the 5 is just very choppy. Yeah, definitely. Again, if we have a choppy market, it's a scalper's market. I want to try a short here. I'm just gonna go with one contract. Just gonna go like this. Just one. Stop me out, stop me out. It definitely looks like it's gonna stop me out. Of this trade. Yeah, I don't like this short idea. I'm done, guys. I'm done. I have 2 red trades. Crazy choppy price action today. I actually really liked my first trade. I think it was a very valid trade. Yeah, very choppy day. Yeah, it might be better to just stop trading or just wait for, well, stop trading and then maybe come for if I see a good setup in the afternoon, or maybe I just don't trade more. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm basically getting stop out left and right. It's definitely looking a little bit more bullish than bearish, but I don't think it matters, because when you have candles this big, even if you're right, you're gonna get stop out of your trade. Look at these. Am I gonna have a huge, these big stop loss? It's just so easy to blow up your account on a price action like this. Crazy wicks at the top and the bottom, so yeah. Bro, it's Andrea. Just ADR. ADR, it's easier for you guys. Um, yeah, so, boo boo, I'm out. I'm done. I'm done for this morning. Be careful out there. Red day for me so far. 2 red trades so far. But I'm done. I don't like this price action again. I'll see you guys again on Monday. Yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you guys. I'll see you again on Monday. Like the video. Bye.
Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smart, you got a fashion. Yeah, Dell exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away.